and we're just super grateful to you for being here to celebrate our brand new Marinette Clinic. So thank you. We're going to keep this short because we want to keep the tours going, and I think we have some delicious food for you back in the conference room. But there's just a couple of us who'd like to say a few things. So starting a clinic in the middle of a pandemic was not easy, but it was a labor of love, and we are so appreciative to all of you, our community, for your flexibility. I'm also really appreciative to our local team for their flexibility because they're an amazing group. And I just want to give you a little bit of background about how we got here. So we've been thinking about Marinette for a good long time, and we had some fits and starts, and we started actually about 10 months ago in a strip mall in a little storefront with chiropractic, and then we were able to add Haley and Jane as virtual behavioral health, but we're really glad to be all here together now. So all of that starting in the wee hours of 2019 and ending up here somehow. It seems like it went very slow for a long time and then very quickly. So as an FQHC, our goal is to provide access to our community, and so I'm really excited for you guys all to be here and see the beautiful clinic that we're going to be doing that in, because it's our job to be a community partner, to be a place that our patients and our community are proud of. And so I think you'll see that we've done some beautiful work on this clinic. So in the 10 months or so that we've been open, we have had over 700 visits. 67, almost 70% of those have been either Michigan or Wisconsin Medicaid. So we're seeing both of those patients, and then another 10% or so are uninsured or underinsured low-income folks. So that's the people that we're here to serve, although we're serving in a rural area, so we're here for everybody. I'm a patient of North Lakes. Many of our staff are patients as well. So we're definitely here to serve everybody in the community with our behavioral health, dental, chiropractic services, and more to come here. So we're very proud of that. We have had lots of help getting from where we started to where we are. So first of all, I would like to thank our amazing board of directors. And we have a board member here. Judy, wave at the beautiful people. Yes, we have a wonderful board member. FQHCs are governed by our patients, and so we have a majority of consumers of healthcare services who govern us. And so our board of directors are visionary people who said, yes, we need to go to Marinette. Yes, we need to serve that population. We also have an amazing staff, and our leaders are here. So Brian and Jason, I think, are tucked away in a corner back there, but you can see them. If you have any questions for me, the CEO, Brian, our CFO, or Jason, our COO, please feel free to snag us aside today. We're here to answer any questions you might have. And then finally, and most importantly, our amazing Marinette team. So I'm going to pass it off to Charlotte to do the honors there.
Great. Thanks so much, Reba. Thanks, Reba. I'm Charlotte Vanderventer, Director of Regional Operations here for North Lakes for our Eastern region, which consists of clinics in Lakewood, White Lake, Oconto, and most recently this beautiful space here in Marinette. Over the past couple of years, I've had the opportunity to meet lots of you, and I just want to take a few minutes to thank you all for helping us make this actually happen. If you look around to some of the waiting room furniture that we have here, this was made possible through a grant by the M&M Foundation. I believe Paula is here. I thought I saw Paula. Maybe I didn't see Paula. And the board for believing in us and supporting our efforts here in Marinette. Anyone else from the M&M Foundation here? I thought I saw someone and I thought I caught them, but anyway. If you get an opportunity to go on the tour, be sure to check out the beautiful new dental equipment that we have here. This was largely paid in part due to a generous $250,000 grant from Delta Dental Foundation of Wisconsin. The community impact manager, Megan, who I know Megan is here. Hi, Megan. She brought this beautiful floss that we're going to see later on. They have been longtime supporters of our work and share a mission of increasing dental access throughout Wisconsin. We're incredibly grateful for their leadership and support in offering dental services, so thank you so much. Also in our dental service, excited about a new funder for us, but not new to the region, Provident Health Foundation of Marinette Menominee. We just learned last month that we are a recipient of a $25,000 grant for our dental outreach team to continue providing dental services in the schools throughout the region. So Madison is here. I know I saw Madison. Hi, Madison. Is here. And also had the opportunity to get to know her over the past years through a variety of meetings. So such great leaders in the community. Thanks so much. Also representing Provident, I know Ed is here also. Hi, Ed. He is a board president and the CEO of Aurora Medical Center. So thank you so much for all of your work and helping us navigate the Marinette community. Also supporting the team is our Associated Bank. They provided us support this past year for our community health workers in the region. And here, I think we have Julie and Steve are here from Associated. Hello. Hello. Thank you so much for your support. Also, the Greater Green Bay Community Foundation has also been extremely supportive of our work, specifically in the county next door, and for helping us make connections in the region. I think Carrie is here. Hi, Carrie. We went on the tour together. So thanks for making the drive up to see us up here. The walls around us are built in part by a grant from the Otto Bremer Trust, another longtime supporter of our work. They provided us with $200,000 capital construction grant that helped complete this project on time and on budget. They too share our mission of improving the lives of others. They're busy reviewing the next round of grants, so couldn't be with us, but they're certainly with us in spirit. And I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about the bipartisan support we receive at local, state, and national level of the work we do. We receive a 330 grant from HRSA, which assists with operations, but also allows us to provide a sliding fee scale for patients who are uninsured or underinsured. Along with state grant, that also provides some operations assistance. And today we had Kelsey Fenke from Congressman Mike Gallagher's office. She had to duck out, but she was here and took the tour and had a great conversation with Reba and Anna. And then John Foss from Senator Ron Johnson's office is here as well, back in the corner there. Thank you again all for your support. We couldn't do it without you. And at this time, I want to ask our clinic manager, Lauren, to say a few words.
And the mayor.
Oh, sorry, and the mayor is here also. You must have told me that 100 times. Steve.
Yep.
There you are. Hi, Steve. Charlotte,
Welcome.
nice to see you.
I think you summed up most of what we're appreciated to see you in the community. I mean, you did all the hard work, and we're happy to see this refurbished, and it's a great. I'm excited to see the tour because we haven't been here either. And,
Yeah.
Welcome to the community.
You bet. Sounds great. Thanks for stopping by. Super excited to meet with you more.
Thank you. All right, so we couldn't have any of this possible if it wasn't for our staff at Marinette. So I know you guys are all scattered about, but when I introduce you, put your hand up so everyone can see who you are. The two that got this clinic up and running, Dr. Jeff Holloway, our chiropractor, is unable to be here today, but we had Peggy, our PSR, who kind of held down the fort. Yeah. Since then, we have added another PSR, Markel. That's for our behavioral health therapists. We have Jane Moker and Haley Narrett. Our maintenance and grounds guy, Jason. I see you hiding back there. Our two IT guys, Nate and Greg, who we bug way too frequently. And then our newest additions are in dental. So we have our dental outreach department, Ashley, Tiffany, and Amanda.
Your Amanda's off today.
And for our in-dental clinic, we have our two assistants, Gina and Priscilla, and Dr. Ivana Christie. More important people that we couldn't have done this without them are our contractors. We got really lucky to get really close with them and also bug them. We want to thank IEI, Stiegler Electrical, and RJ Parents Plumbing. So this clinic is our 16th clinic in Wisconsin, and it helps us fulfill the mission of responding to healthcare needs of communities with a variety of services while removing barriers to wellness. While we serve everyone, regardless of their ability to pay, we focus on Medicaid and uninsured. And as Reba had stated before, our clinic alone, our patients is 67% that fall into those categories. This new clinic allows us to grow and meet the unmet healthcare needs in Marinette and Menominee. So while we're on that topic, if anyone knows of a dentist or a hygienist, as most of you already know, we are currently offering limited dental services primarily to Michigan and Wisconsin Medicaid patients, along with behavioral health services and chiropractic care. Something that sets us apart from other organizations is the addition of a full-time community health worker. This staff member will be full-time, and their duties are to address social barriers to care, such as employment assistance, health insurance enrollment, food securities, and housing. We hope to add additional services and providers in the coming months as we learn more about needs in this area. At this time, I'd like to recognize members of the Marinette Menominee Chamber of Commerce and invite Executive Director Jacqueline to say a few words. They are here today to celebrate and lead us into the ribbon cutting ceremony. Once we are complete, there will be lunch by the Wooden Spoon in the back, and then another tour at 12:30. Thank you.
Thank you. So on behalf of the Marinette Menominee Chamber of Commerce, welcome everyone. Thank you for being here to celebrate this. So we are so glad you said yes to Marinette. There's a need, and it's exciting to have you here. Also to hear about all the components it took to put this together. That is the way things get done. It's no one person, no one organization, no one funding source. And looking around the room here, there's so many people that have just vested time, talent, hours into the healthcare of this community. So I know they're excited to be here and celebrate. So we'd like to cut the ribbon officially right now at that time, and we